Hello everyone, my name is Jack. So today I'm reading book The Weather. So let's start. Rain or shine. The weather can be sunny, rainy, windy, or snowy. Every kind of weather is happening. Somewhere in the world right now, there's a snowstorm in the New York, USA. So let's start. What is the weather? The weather is caused by three main things: heat, water, and air. The sun gives out heat, which warms the earth. Water makes clouds and rain. It also makes fog, hail, and snow. Air is always moving around. This is what makes the wind blow. The earth is wrapped in the thick blanket of air called atmosphere. This is where weather happens. From space, the atmosphere looks like a hazy blue ring around the earth. The white swirl are clouds. Water on the moon. Water is always moving between the sea, the air, and the land. This is called water cycle. The sun warms the water in the sea, and turns it into an invisible gas. The gas rises and turns into tiny droplets of water, making clouds. The rain that falls on you may have fallen on a dinosaur millions of years ago. The tiny droplets pump into each other and jar together to make bigger drops. When the drops of water become heavy enough, they fall as a rain. Rivers carry the rainwater back to the sea. The water cycle begins again. Clouding over. Different types of cloud mean there will be different kinds of weather. Puffy, white, camouflage cloud usually mean that good weather is coming. Stratus cloud cover the sky. This means that there might be frost or drizzle. But big cirrus cloud high in the sky mean rain or snow may be coming later. A big accumulation nimbus cloud that mean maybe a thunderstorm. When tiny water droplets form close to the ground, is called fog or mist. This Golden Gate Bridge in California, USA, is foggy there most of the time. Icy crystals. When the air is very cold, the water in clouds freeze to make tiny ice crystals called snowflakes. Most snowflakes have 6 points. No two snowflakes are ever exactly the same shape. This is what snowflakes look like when they are put under a microscope. Icicles form in snowy weather when the sun shines onto snow on roofs or trees. The snow melts, water drips down into the cold shade where it freezes. More water slowly drips down and freezes, forming lots of icy fingers. Electric skies. Thunderstorms happen when a cumulonimbus cloud forms in the sky. Strong winds inside the cloud will rain, snow, and hailstones up and down. This makes electricity build up. It escapes down to the ground as flashes of lightning. Lightning sometimes hits trees and buildings on its way from the cloud to the ground. Thunder is the sound that lightning makes when it hits up the air around it. This type of lightning is called fork lightning. Do you always see lightning before you hear thunder? Because light travels faster than the sound. Great ball of ice. Holes form inside giant thunder clouds, so you often get hailstorms at the same time as thunder and lightning. Water droplets get blown up to the top of cloud by gusts of air. The droplets freeze, they drop down, and a layer of water forms around them. The whole is blown up to the top of the cloud again, and the layer of water freezes. This happens again and again until the hail gets too heavy and falls from the skies. Wild wind. Wind is the moving air. It happens when hot air rises and cold air rushes in to take its place. The strength of wind measured on a scale from 1 to 12. A force 2 breeze rise the cloud on the cloud lines. A force 5 wind blows the leaves from the tree. A force 9 wind is a serval. It can blow tiles from roof. A force 12 wind is a hurricane. It can destroy houses. Terrible twister. Tornadoes are violent, rolling winds. They are sometimes called twisters. A tornado is like a giant vacuum cleaner. It sucks things from the ground. Animal magic. Weather doesn't just affect people, it affects the way animals behave too. For example, the fur of the snowshoe here changes from brown to white for the winter. Hair can be spotted in the snow by eagles that hunt it. Alright, that's all this book for today. I'll see you next time.